Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to tell you how can you display cookies and GDPR banner notice on your WordPress website for free. So just go to the plugins, then here click on add new plugin. From here you need to search for cookie yes plugin. So let me search for cookie yes. I will show you the plugin that we need to install and activate. Here you can see I already installed the plugin. So now you just need to click on here, activate. So now you can see this is the plugin Cookie Yes by Cookie Yes. So here I will go to the settings of the plugin. From here, then I will skip this part. I will go to the cookie banner here. So now you can see here is the consent template. So I will click on banner preview. So here it is. So you can see on the left bottom corner. Now, if you want to change here your banner, so you can click on here US state law. If you are a US citizen, so you can click on US state law. So the banner will automatically changes. So now let me go back again and I will select GDPR here. So geo target banner, so it's totally up to you. So if you are a European country, if you are living in European countries and UK, so you can select this one. So I will just leave it worldwide and then I will go to the show advanced settings. So here you can insert the consent expiration dates. So it's totally up to you. You can make it 1, 2, or 3. So reload page on consent action is totally up to you as well. So you can play with these settings. So now just go to the layout from here. So here you can see we have this layout now. So if you want to show it on the bottom right, so you can make it like this, top left, top right, it's totally up to you. So if you want to make it banner, so you can do it like this, the banner. If you want to make it sidebar, push down, so it's totally up to you. So I will keep it as it is now. You can see it's looking quite good. And then I will go to the content and colors here. So now the color scheme, if you want to make it dark, custom, so it's totally up to you. If you want to make it light, so now you can see here, cookie notice. So here it is. So now you can see if you want to change the color, so you can change the color from here. So now you can see the color is now changed. So it's totally up to you. So now you can see here it is. So I will keep it as blue as it is. So I'm just showing you how can you change the color. So cookie policy link. So if you insert your URL of cookie policy, so you can insert it here. So close X button. So now you can see we don't have any close X button. So if you click on enable it, so now you can see here we have the small close button here. So I will keep it as it is, and the preference and so it's totally up to you. So you can play with these settings. Then if you want to add a custom CSS, so you can add from here and just go to the cookie managers. So just click on here, publish changes, and then go to the cookie manager here. So now you can see here it is. So if you want to add a cookies, so it's the advanced feature. So it's totally up to you as well. Languages. So you can add a new language here. So if you want to add edit content, so now you can see here it is, the English language. So here you can see the banner preview. So now we have only have the English language. So if you want to add another language, so I think here you can select on change default language. So you can choose your language from here. So it's the best feature if your website is not in English. So you can choose any of these features from here. And then policy generator, this is the best feature of this plugin as well. So if you want to create a privacy policy generator or cookie policy generator, just click on generate privacy policy. Then here you need to insert your details. So it will automatically create a page for you. You can just copy and paste into your WordPress website. So let me visit to the website now. So here you can see we have our GDPR and cookie notice bar here. So if you want to click on customize, reject all, save my preferences, so it's totally up to you. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any questions, kindly ask in the comment section. Kindly don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.